Let the first term be a and the common difference be d. The general formula for the nth term of an arithmetic progression is Tn equals a plus n minus 1 times d. In part A, given that the fifth term of an arithmetic progression is 22 and the 12th term is 50, and we want to find the first term a and the common difference d, we let t5 equals a plus 4d equals 22 be equation 1, and let t12 equals a plus 11d equals 50 be equation 2. Then we subtract the equation 1 from equation 2. Then we get d equals 4. Substitute d equals 4 into equation 1. Then we get a equals 6. Therefore, the first term is 6 and the common difference is 4. In part B, we need to find the sum of first 20 terms. The formula of the sum of the first n terms of an AP is Sn equals n over 2 times 2 times a plus n minus 1 times d. In this question, we need to substitute n equals 20, a equals 6, and d equals 4 on it. Then we get S20 equals 880.